Golf is at Mountain Grove, dismissed at 2:50. Tennis is here versus Salem at 4. Track at Ava at 4, dismissed at 1:15. Baseball at Norwood at 4:30, dismissed at 2:40. Softball at Liberty at 4:30, dismissed at 2:40. Lunch will be taco, salad, corn chips, and fruit.
Tomorrow is Friday. It is a white day. Softball will be here at 3:30 and 6:30. Breakfast is toast, eggs, fruit, cereal, and juice. Lunch tomorrow is a hamburger, fries, beans, fruit, and shakes.
Hallway music today is Yellowstone Songs.
FBLA state qualifier meeting today during first lunch.
Color guard tryouts for next year. The clinic is today after school until 4:30. Meet in the band hall. Tryouts are April 5th after school until 4:30. Attending clinics are required to try out.
Today and tomorrow will be the last 2 days to buy prom tickets. They will be on sale from 7:30 to 7:55 a.m. in the Commons and in the Bears Den during first lunch. Tickets are $90 each.
Now to find out if we'll live through Friday. Time for our weather.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Hope you had a good Wednesday yesterday. Right now there is no rain, so let's go ahead and move on and talk about what's going on tomorrow. First, let's actually go through our high and lows for today. High 64, low of 45. The 45s right now, and then tonight it'll be around 54 degrees. So spring sports. I know we have a track meet today, and there's some other things going on. I think all sports are going on today, actually. So it is just a good day in general to go outside and have a meet of some sort. It's going to be cloudy all day, so that temperature probably won't feel like 64 degrees, but we'll see what happens. And the day 2 severe thunderstorm risk is still enhanced, so let's go ahead and see what they're talking about for tomorrow. The main concern still is straight line winds. We are in a significant threat for straight line winds, so that means that it's going to be upwards of 74 miles an hour when those get here. So if you have anything that needs to be strapped down, make sure you do that before tomorrow afternoon. 1 or 2 tornadoes are possible, and also large hail is possible. These aren't the main concerns, though. These might not happen. These still might not happen. But if they do happen, they could be to a significant level. So if there is any form of warning for these 2 things, we need to make sure we take them seriously. And the biggest concern of these storms are in the boot heel of Missouri. So we might not get hit. It might miss us, but we still got to see what happens. Can we switch back to the radar? I'm going to go in a little more in depth about what's going to happen tomorrow. Okay, so whenever we start out the day, or tonight, it's actually supposed to rain a little bit. Some rain is going to move in, and that's going to use up a lot of the cape that's coming in. So the rain's going to come in from up here, and it's going to move through southern Missouri. And as that moves through, that's going to take away some of the cape, so that's going to take away a lot of the energy that's going to be in the atmosphere. That's what's going to cause these storms, is the cape that is in the atmosphere. I talked about that yesterday. So after that comes through, a lot of that energy is going to go away. Then tomorrow at about 10 o'clock, there's going to be a couple pop-up supercells that move through southern Missouri, and that's going to also take away some of the cape, but those supercells could be to a significant level. So if any of those hit us, we need to make sure that we're ready for those. But then later in the afternoon, the main event is the dry line that's going to swoop through out of Oklahoma and Kansas and come through, and that's going to be like the main event. That's where we're going to have to make sure we're watching it and just being ready. So we're going to go back to the reporters, but make sure you are ready for tomorrow. Don't be scared, be prepared.
We'll make sure we're praying for the weather tomorrow. Birthdays today are Junior Jonathan Myers.
Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The mystery staff member this week graduated in 2008. They enjoy making things out of stained glass. They used to be an umpire and a lifeguard. They took dance classes for 16 years, and they have a bachelor's degree in music education and a master's degree in language and literacy. If you guessed Miss Berry, you are correct. Maddie, come see Miss Wilson for your prize.
Thank you and have a great day.